Good morning, students. Here the question is equation of the line through the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 whose distance from 2 comma minus 1 is 2. If you read the question, we can understand the given conditions. There are two conditions. Okay. First condition is equation of the line through the point of intersection of the lines 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 means the required equation is passing through the point of intersection of the given two lines. So how it will be if you go for rough sketch? So this is some 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 first equation. This is some 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0 second equation. So the required equation is passing through point of intersection of these two lines. That means this is the point of intersection of these two lines. So required equation may be going like this. Okay. So this is the required equation. So this point is you take some x1 comma y1. Okay. Some x1 comma y1 you take. So now second condition is this line is at a distance from 2 units. Distance 2 units from 2 comma minus 1. This is the given. Let us consider this is the point some 2 comma minus 1. Then the distance between this line and this point 2 comma minus 1 is 2 units. Okay, we have to use these two conditions. After applying these two conditions, you get the one equation, that is required equation. So we are going to procedure. So first of all, here first we are going to finding this x1 comma y1. So that means here we can go through many methods to find out the point of intersection of two given lines. Lines means here straight lines. That means in 10th class we have pair of straight lines. So how you solve two straight lines? So same procedure. So that means we can use cross multiplication method, elimination method, substitution method. In any method we can solve. So here I used cross multiplication method. Okay, actually CBSE students they know very well cross multiplication method. SSC students actually this procedure you don't have, but don't leave this procedure you have to learn. So I explain now. If you not understand after starting the classes again I will explain one more time, but until you just remember this procedure. Okay. Maximum you try to understand, it is very easy, so you follow me. So in this cross multiplication method 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. That means all terms you should take in left side. So here 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. So given equation is in the form only. So no need to change. So 3x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Second equation 2x plus 5y minus 1 is equal to 0. So to solve this cross multiplication method, you have to write like this. This is the procedure. First you write here x, here y, here 1. Always we have to write 1 only. Don't write any other number. So x, y1. After writing this x, y1, we have how many gaps? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps are there. So in the first gap, vertically we should write the coefficients of y of the given two equations. Here you should write constants. Here you should write coefficients of x. Here you should write again coefficients of y. That means if you start with first you write coefficient of y, next constant, next coefficient of x, next coefficient of y. Stop here. Where you started, there you have to stop. That means first 2 right here, 4 right here, 3 right here, 2 right here. Next second equation also same. First you write coefficients of y. Here coefficient in the first equation coefficient of y. Here you should write second equation coefficient of y. So 5. Next constant, same sign. What the given sign, that is only we have to write. Next coefficient of x. Next again coefficient of y. After that cross multiplication method already I gave one word to this procedure. Okay, so what is the cross multiplication method? Means here we are using cross multiplication. So that means first you write x by this cross multiplication method. In the cross multiplication you have to cross multiply these two and these two, but first always you should multiply top left to bottom right, top left bottom right. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2. After that you have to keep minus, and again you multiply remaining two numbers. 5 into 4, 20. Minus 2 minus 20 is equal to, you have to write. Next you write y by. So this is the y by. First same, top left to bottom right. 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. Actually you have to write between minus. Already if you write minus here, so in this cross multiplication, minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So already we have 1 minus, so minus into minus plus, so 3 is equal to, again you write 1 by 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15 minus 4. So this is the procedure. So how you write? X by this cross multiplication minus this cross multiplication is equal to y by this cross multiplication minus this cross multiplication is equal to 1 by this cross multiplication minus this cross multiplication. So to get the value of x, equate these two. To get the value of y, equate these two. Okay. So x by, actually here minus 22 we have. X by minus 22 is equal to 1 by 15 minus 4, that is 11. So this minus 22 transpose this side, we have minus 22 by 11. Minus 22 by 11 means minus 2. Next y by 8 plus 3 means that is 11. So 8 y by 11 is equal to 1 by 11. So y is equal to 11 by 11, that is equal to 1. So this point of intersection means, actually here what you denoted, x1 comma y1. This x1 comma y1 we got as minus 1 comma, sorry, minus 2 comma 1. Okay, here we have, actually I have taken x comma y, no problem. With x comma y you can take, x1 comma y1 you can take, anyone you can take, no problem. Okay, but what you are finding, that is the important, that should be keep in the mind. Okay, so I gave the name as x1 comma y1, that is equal to minus 2 comma 1. So now after finding, we have the point is minus 2 comma 1, that is the point of intersection. So this is the line passing through minus 2 comma 1. So to find the line equation, we need a 1 point slope or 2 points or 2 intercepts. We have many conditions are there to find the line equation. Here we have the point. We cannot find out the another point, that is very difficult. Instead of taking second point, if you take the slope, we can use the slope point form. That means y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. After taking the required equation as some y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, if we use the second condition, we can get the exact equation. Okay, so now we are going to finding that one. So let us consider slope of this line is some m. Okay, slope of this line is some m. That means let the slope of the required line be m. Then x1 comma y1 is minus 2 comma 1 we found here. Okay, so equation is y minus y1, I am writing here. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So x1 comma y1 is minus 2 comma 1. Okay, so y minus y1 means 1 only, so y minus 1 is equal to m, we don't know. So if you use second condition, we can find the value of m. Okay, that is the important. X minus of x1 means we have minus 2. So minus of minus 2 plus 2. So m into x plus 2. So y minus 1 is equal to mx plus 2m. So y minus 1 transpose this side, we have mx minus y plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. These two terms transpose this side. So maximum try to make x term as positive. So now mx minus y plus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. If you find m and after substitute here, then you get the exact answer. Okay, so to get this value of m, so go for second condition. That means this equation is at 2 units from 2 comma minus 1. So 2 comma minus 1 they given. Okay, so distance formula. What is distance formula? I am writing here. Distance from x1 comma y1 to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Okay, so here ax plus by plus c means mx minus y plus c means here 2m plus 1, and x1 comma y1 means now only they given 2 comma minus 1. From this point, this x1 comma y1 is different of this 2 comma minus 1. Actually here x1 comma y1 means minus 2 comma 1. Okay, that is another one. So to get the second condition, he has given this point to this straight line is distance is 2 units. That means here I took x1 comma y1 as again 2 comma minus 1. That is the important. So if you substitute, that means ax1 in the place of x you substitute 2, in the place of y you substitute minus 1. Substitute here, that is 2m, that means m into 2, that is 2m, minus y means minus 1, that means minus of minus 1 plus 1, plus again constant is 2m plus 1 by root over m square, that means a square plus b square. A means here x coefficient is here m, y coefficient is here minus 1, that is b. Okay, so m square plus minus 1 whole square is equal to 2. This 2 is given, they only given, is equal to 2 units. So this distance formula is this one, this length they given as 2. So equate these two. So this implies modulus of 2m plus 2m 4m plus 1 plus 1 2 is equal to 2 into, transpose this side, we have 2 into m square plus minus 1 whole square means 1 only. So 2 into m square plus 1. Actually, to avoid modulus or square root, take squaring on both sides. That is perfect method. Actually, instead of that one, first any simplification is there, you have to do that one. So here 4m plus 2, if you take 2 common, so 2 outside, 2 into 2m plus 1 is equal to 2 into root over m square plus 1. That 2, this 2 is cancelled. So we have at last modulus of 2m plus 1 is equal to root over m square plus 1. So now squaring on both sides, we have 2m plus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1. Actually square root get cancelled. So here 2m plus 1 whole square means 4m square plus 1 square means 1 plus 2ab, 2 into 2m plus 1. Sorry, 2 into 2m into 1. That is 2 into 2m, 4m into 1, 4m only is equal to m square plus 1. 1m square and 4m square, if you simplify, we have 3m square plus 4m. 1 get cancelled, that is equal to 0. So if you take m common, so 3m plus 4 is equal to 0. So m is equal to, here product of two numbers is equal to 0 means either first number 0 or second number 0. So m is equal to 0 or 3m plus 4 is equal to 0. That is m is equal to minus 4 by 3. So if you substitute these values, m is equal to 0 or m is equal to minus 4 by 3, you get two equations. So in the given options, which one is there? That is our answer. Okay. So substitute m is equal to 0, what you have? If you take m is equal to 0, so m into g, that is 0 into x 0 minus y plus 2 into 0 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. That means minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 1. So here there is no option for y is equal to 1. So that is not correct answer. So m is equal to 0 is when substitute m is equal to 0, the what you get the answer, what you get the equation, that is not our answer. So go to second condition, that is 3m plus 4 is equal to 0, that is m is equal to minus 4 by 3. 3m is equal to minus 4, m is equal to minus 4 by 3. So m is equal to minus 4 by 3, substitute here. Now we have minus 4 by 3 into x minus y plus 2 into minus 4 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we substituted. So minus 4 by 3, actually here 3 is LCM. So minus 4x minus 3y, 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. So 3 into 1, 3 is equal, by actually by 3 is equal to 0. So 3 transpose this side, you get 0 into 3, 0 only. So we have 4x, actually minus 4x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So take minus common, we have 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Or y minus 1 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 1. So here in the two given option, in the given options, only we have this equation 4x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 is not there. So this is the answer. Actually, in the verification method, if you go for verification method, after finding this point of intersection, okay, this point satisfies which equation, that is our answer. Actually, here our bad luck, here in the given options 1 2 3 4 options, these 4 equations, actually 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So in this equation, if you substitute x1 comma y1 as minus 2 comma 1, it is satisfying. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus if you substitute y, that is 1 minus 1 plus 5. Actually here minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 5, that is 0 is equal to 0, satisfies. So in the second equation also 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 3 into 1 3, okay, plus 5 is equal to actually minus 8 plus 3, minus 8 plus 3, that is also minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So this point satisfies first equation also second equation. So it is not correct procedure. So in verification method, we cannot get the answer. So we are getting multi options. So not correct way. So go to regular method only. Actually, if we after finding this point of intersection, if it satisfies only one equation, the given options, that is only the right answer. So then no need to go for this lengthy procedure. But here we should go to lengthy procedure. So that is the way to find out the answer for this question. Okay. So children, if you have any doubt, please ask me again.